Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Learning Hub World, an interactive platform which caters to all age groups. Whether someone is trying to learn a new application or if someone wants to understand basic concepts in mathematics and science, here we are, the solution to all your problems. I hope you like this channel. Please show your appreciation by subscribing to my channel and clicking on the bell icon for more updates. Please do like, share and comment and give us your feedback. Also, let us know if you would like a tutorial on any particular topic or app. So let's begin. Today's tutorial is very interesting. We all know that the pandemic has hit us bad, and that has compelled us to stay at home and learn new things, new ways of working. Well, working from home is not bad, but the problem lies in connectivity. How do we connect to people? How do we interact with people? Well, here I have a great app for all of you. That is Google Meet, one of the most recommended and safe apps today. Not only does it help you connect with people, but it is also very easy to use and understand. So, without any further delay, let's go on and start with the first tutorial on Google Meet. That's right. Today, we are going to understand how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet and how to invite your participants. It's fairly easy. So let's begin. As you all know, for this to function amazingly, you need to have a Google account. With the Google account, once you set it up, you will have an option on the left-hand side, which is Meet. Whenever you want to schedule a meeting on this, you simply need to select on Start a Meeting. So, we shall now talk about how to set up a schedule. It's fairly simple. Go to the calendar option that is available on your Gmail account screen. Here you go. You can open it in a new tab. So for example, today is Monday, 18th of May, and I want to set up a Google Meet, say for Tuesday, which is the 19th of May. And I want to set it up at around 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Well, it's very simple. Just go to this date. Go to 3 p.m. that you see here and click. There you go. The Google Meet scheduling is in front. Now, all you need to do is add a title. So, for example, I am adding a title, tutorial to schedule Google Meet. Here is the date. Now, in case if you decide that you want to change the date, you can easily change it. You have the option available here. You can make it to 19th, you can make it to 20th, whatever date you wish to. I will go back to 19th. Now, here is the timing. Again, you can also change the timing. You can also change it as to how long do you want your Google Meet to last. Is it 30 minutes, 45, 1 hour, 2 hours? The limit is endless. And the time zone. Obviously, the time zone will be picked up automatically by your Gmail account. Now, here you add the Google Meet video conferencing. You don't need to add the location, it is not necessary. However, you can add notification. A notification which will go via email or a normal notification which will get updated in the Google calendars. How early do you want the notification? It can range from anywhere between 0 to 30, 40 minutes, 1 hour. I am keeping a notification of 15 minutes. So 15 minutes before the meeting is supposed to start, you will get a notification. Now, since I'm conducting it from my ID, this is what it's going to be like. So xyz@gmail.com. Just click enter and this person will get added. Obviously, this account does not exist, but this is just to show you how it works. Now, what kind of permissions do you want to give the guest? So here you can have the preferences. Do you want to modify the event? Do you want to give that permission to the guest? You want to invite others and you want to see guest lists. So I do not want them to invite others, nor do I want them to modify my event. So I uncheck these two boxes. But yes, they will be able to see the guest list. If you don't want that as well, you can uncheck this. However, I want my guests to see my guest list, so I will keep it checked. And then here you go. I'm just going to add a description. So, dear all, you are invited to the Google Meet on May 19th. At 3 p.m. on a tutorial to schedule a Google Meet. Regards, the Learning Hub World. There you go, you're done. Now, all you need to do is click on save. The moment you click on save, the invitation will go to the Google Calendar, the guest whom you're sending it. So either you can dismiss it, or you don't want to send it, or you send it. It is always better to send it, because the moment you send the invite, the opposite person, that is the attendees whom you've sent the invite, will get an option of attending the meeting, yes, no, maybe, as well as they will get the option, or rather they will find the link through which they can enter into your meeting. So there will be a link. If you select that link through your laptop, you can easily enter a meeting, or else you can use a mobile app of Google Meet and enter only the meeting code. So there you go. And here automatically the timing will be reflected. And here are your event details. See, as simple as that. Now I will just remove this guest and I will save it. Okay, you can ask them to continue later for the notifications. And here you go. The tutorial is set. The tutorial with the invitation is set on your Google Calendar. You can print it or delete the event or publish the event or change the owner of the event. If I plan to print it, I will get a Google Calendar. There you go. You can send this Google Meet like this as well, but we don't want to do that. So I am going to change this and I'm going to select 19th May, and there you go, tutorial on Google Meet. Now all you have to do is, as soon as you get your meeting ID, you go to Google Meet, join in the Google Meet using your ID, and you are set. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, a very easy way to set up a Google meeting or schedule a Google meeting. If you like this video, please share your love and do comment on this video. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.